morning to all once again. 11 commerce. Statistics and chapter number 4. Last time that we learned about example number 14 of standard deviation. Right now we are going to discuss about example number 15 standard deviation that use the shortcut method whenever frequency is given. Okay, so let us start. The distribution of number of absent days of 15 students of a class in a month of January is given below. Find out the standard deviation and coefficient of standard deviation of their number of absent days. So two data is there. Number one, that is absent number of days is given, which is denoted by X. Second one, that is number of students are there, which is denoted by F. So here two things is there. Number 15. So first is given, that is X. So what is X? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number of S, that is frequency. So number of F, 1, 3, 1, 3, 7, 3, 1. What is total? 7, 10, 13, 14, 15. Good. Now what we have to find out? Standard deviation and coefficient of standard deviations. So two things that we have to find out. Okay. So F and X both are given. So using the normal method and thereafter same thing that we have to find out over here. Okay. So let us see. First of all, standard deviation, that is S. So what is formula of S? Under root sigma F into X minus X bar upon N. Okay, square. So what is the formula? Sigma F into X minus X bar whole square divided by N. So this is the formula of what? Standard deviation. Now what is our need? So first of all, we have to find out X bar. So what is the formula? Sigma Fx upon N or Fixi upon N. Okay. So first of all, what we have to find out on the basis of this information? First of all, we have to find out Fx. So Fx, that means multiplication of both 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 7, 14. 3 into 3, 9. 1 into 4, 4. Make the total of it 30, 30. So first column will be completed. Okay. So here put over 30. 30 divided by 15. Answer is 2. So this is your first answer. Got it? Fine. Now what next then we have to do? First of all, X minus X bar. First column, and X bar is equal to 2. X minus X bar square. Second one, and F X minus X bar square. So this information that we get for the find out of standard deviations. Okay. How we will find out? So let's see over here once again. What is X? 0. 0 minus 2, minus 2. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Got it? Now do the square of it. Square of minus 2, 4. 1, 0, 1, 4. Okay? And finally what we have to do? We have to do multiply with F frequency. So here do the multiplication of both. 1 into 4, 1 into 3, 0 into 7, 1 into 3, 4 into 1, total 14. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So here put the value in our particular formula. 14 divided by 15. 0.93. 9333, number of 3. Okay, so find out the square root. 0.967. 966. 964. Yes, 9661 is that. So third digit will be. So here what we have to do? 0.97. So this will be your answer. Clear? Now same thing that we have to find out with the help of shortcut method. What we have to do? Same thing that we have to find out with shortcut method. Now remember one thing. If shortcut method is there, what is the formula? So here S is equal to under root. What is formula? Sigma x fx. Sigma, yes, fx. Yes, fx square divided by n minus x bar square. Got it? So now one thing that we have to find out, because here fx is there, but fx square is not there. Okay, so here we have to find out one new column, and that is fx square. It means that here we can say that fx multiplied by x. Okay, so what is our fx? Our fx is here and x is here. So do the multiplication of both. 0 into 0, 0. Fine. 3 into 1, 14 into 2, 9 into 3, 4 into 4. Make the total of it. Clear? Simple. Again, put the value in the formula. So simple. Under root 74 divided by 15 minus x bar. How much? 2. Square of 2. Again, under root 74 divided by 15. 93 minus 4. So here 0.93. Answer will be same, 0.97. So if we are finding out with normal method or shortcut method, there is no change in answer. Clear? Let's see. Okay, and one thing is that we have to find out coefficient. So coefficient of standard deviation. What is the formula? S divided by x bar. What is S? 0.93. X bar is equal to 2. So 0.93 sorry 0.97 divided by 2. What is the answer? 0.485. Third digit is 5. So 0.49. So this will be your coefficient of standard deviation. Okay, let's see. So here example number 16. The information of number of mobile phones sold in last 35 days in a mobile shop is given below. Find the coefficient of standard deviation of the number of mobile phone sold. In bracket what is given? Use shortcut method. If in your example it is given use shortcut method, so compulsory we have to use shortcut method. Clear? Okay. So here number 16. What is given? First of all, x. So x is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So f, number of frequency. How much is that? 2, 5, 8, 12, 7, 1. Total 35. Clear? So, number 1, number 2. Now, what we have to find out? Directly they are asking about coefficient of standard deviation. So, let us see. So, here the formula of coefficient of standard deviation is equal to S divided by X bar. Okay? So, we have to find out two things. Number 1, that is X bar. Second one is standard deviation, S. Okay? First of all, we have to find out X bar. So here, what is X bar? So shortcut method that we have to find out. So A plus sigma FD upon N. So this is your mean. Again, I request you refer chapter number 3, because all formula that we have to use, which already that we have to discuss in chapter number 3. Okay? So let us start. First of all, we have to assume A. Okay? So first of all, we have to find out D. X minus A is equal to D. And what we have to need? FD. So then we have to find out FD. So 2 column is required. Then we are finding out X bar in shortcut method. Okay? So out of 5 to 10, what is minimum value? 5. What is maximum value? 10. So in between 5 and 10, whatever value that we can take. If you want to 7, you can. If you want to 6, you can. If you want to 10, you can. Okay? But appropriately, whatever middle value is there, that we have to take over here. So it will be easy to calculate. Okay? So here, for example, we are taking A is equal to 8. If you want, again, if you want to take 7, don't worry, I don't mind. Okay? So here, 5 minus 8 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Is it clear? Good. Now what we have to do? Multiplication with F. So here FD, 2 3s are, but minus plus minus, so minus 6. 5 2s are minus 10. 1 8s are minus 8. 12 0 0. 1 7s are 7. 2 1s are 2. Make the total of it minus 15. Clear? So again, 8 plus minus 15 divided by 35. So 8 plus 15 divided by 35. Come on, use the calculator. 15 divided by 35. 43. But minus is there. Okay. Silent. 42. But minus is there. So we have to put over minus. Okay. 42.86 is there. So 8 is there. So 8 plus minus 0.43. So 8 minus plus minus 0.43. So 7.57. Okay. So this is answer of X bar. Now what we have to do? We have to find out standard deviation. So how we can find out standard deviation? To use which method? Shortcut method. Okay. So again, what is the formula when we are using the standard deviation, finding out standard deviation in shortcut method? Okay. So here S is equal to, so here that we have to find out, S is equal to under root sigma FD square upon N minus sigma FD upon N whole square. Is it right? Clear? So what we have to do? Sigma FD that we have, so no need to find out. N already we have, so no need to find out. So what do you have to find out over here? Only one thing. And what is that thing? FD square. It means that FD multiplied by D. Okay? So here FD is there, number 1. Here T is there, number 2. So do the multiplication of both. Is it clear now? Yes. So 6, 3 6 are 18, minus minus plus. 2 10s are 20, minus minus plus. 8 1s are 8, minus minus plus. 0 0 0. 7 1s are 7, 2 2s are 4. Make the total of 8.
57. 57. 557.
हाँ जोले watch कौन हाथ वाले is it clear again put the value in the formula FD square 57 divided by 35 minus FD minus 15 divided by 35 whole square. Clear? Yes. So here again under root 57 by 35
1.6
286 minus again minus 15 by 35 is equal to
0.183.
yes 1 minute minus 15 divided by 35 and do the square of it. Minus 13 divided by 35. Okay? And do the square of it. 0.1837. Now minus these things. 1.6286 minus 0.1837. 1.4449. Find out the root of it.
1.20.
1.2020. Third digit is 20. So 1.20. This is answer of S. Now both answers that we have. Number 1 that is S. Second one that is mean. So put the value S is equal to 1.20 whole divided by 7.57. Find out 0.158 1,585. Third digit is 8. So 0.16. Answer of coefficient of standard deviation. Okay. Let's see.